Привет, вы на канале Таша Clay, и сегодня я буду лепить Drawkill Foxy. Вот по этой картинке. Ну а это наш пластилинчик. Красно-коричневый, на пару тонов светлее, черный, темно-серый, светло-серый и белый. Чтобы получился вот такой вот оттенок, я в обычный коричневый добавила красный. Для такого оттенка, для брюшка и носа, я добавила в коричневый красный и белый пластилин. Я туториал разделила на две части. Ссылки на оба туториала будут в описании к видео, так что не теряйте. Поехали!
Demons never show, shifting shapes in millenniums, but you're okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Standing by your side, you know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you. I've got you. Still standing by your side, you know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you. Once again your phone says that you're busy, and all my texts are falling to the ground. Once again you tell the same old story, yeah, telling me should have stopped with all the doubt. And I have no illusion you're gonna lose me. Finally I've taken enough, 'cause you're all delusion, plain confusion. Days are gonna get rough, but that's your karma, your karma. Time for you to suck it on up, and it's your karma, your karma. You're gonna learn just how to lose.
what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed up late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We can never fall. nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Feels like time is going faster than it seems.